everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we're going to learn how to send Discord channel messages on FlexiFunnels purchase. So I am an owner of an online gaming platform and now I am recently organizing a gaming tournament. Using FlexiFunnels, I collect the payments as they're going to purchase the tickets of my tournaments from my participants. Here what I want is that as soon as beneath the participant, they are going to purchase a new ticket using FlexiFunnels of my tournament, I want to notify that to my community on my Discord channel that I've created that a new participant has enrolled for the tournament that I'm organizing. Now sending these notifications manually is very time consuming. So what I've done is I've simply automated this entire process with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration software. And here in this automation, I'm going to build the connection between FlexiFunnels and Discord with the help of it. So if you also want to learn about this amazing automation process step by step, for that let me take you to my screen. In this video, we're going to learn how to send Discord channel message on FlexiFunnels purchase. So as an owner of an online gaming platform, I'm organizing a gaming tournament and I'm using FlexiFunnels to sell the tickets of the tournament and manage registrations. Additionally, I use Discord to communicate with my gaming community, share updates and engage with participants. By integrating FlexiFunnels with Discord, I can automatically notify my community every time a new player registers or purchases a ticket for the tournament and informed in real time, enhancing the overall tournament experience. And I'm going to create the connection between FlexiFunnels and Discord with the help of Pabbly Connect. So on the screen, you can see the website of Pabbly Connect, that is pabbly.com/connect. After browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly Connect account. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. So as I'm an existing user, I'm going to sign into my Pabbly Connect account. After signing in, you can see the all Pabbly apps window in front of you, in which you can see all the products that Pabbly provides, from which we are going to select Pabbly Connect by clicking on this Access Now button right here. Then Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. In order to start an automation process in Pabbly Connect, we need to create a workflow. For that, click on this top right corner button right here that says Create Workflow. A dialog box is then going to appear in front of you, which is asking for the workflow name and for us to select a folder. So for the name of my workflow over here, I'm going to write it as Send Discord Channel Messages on FlexiFunnels Purchase. So this is the name that I want to give to my workflow, okay? After that, it is asking for us to select a folder. So on the left side of my screen, you can see I have created multiple folders in my Pabbly Connect account, from which I'm going to select a specific folder in which I want to save this workflow in. For that, click on this drop down. These are the folders from which I'm going to select Discord Automations as the folder I want to save this workflow in. After giving the name to the workflow and selecting the folder, I'm going to click on this Create button in order to create a workflow. A workflow is created in the name of Send Discord Channel Messages on FlexiFunnel Purchase, and you can see there are two windows in front of you. One says Trigger, other says Action. So what is Trigger and Action? Trigger and Action are the two most important steps of our automation process because our process depends on these two concepts. Over here, Trigger says when this happens and Action says do this. That means what is Action? Action is a response towards our trigger. In an automation process, there can be only one trigger step but multiple action steps. We are going to set up our trigger step first. And for the trigger application over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select it as FlexiFunnels. As with the help of FlexiFunnels, I'm collecting the payments from my participants who are enrolling themselves for the tournament that I'm organizing. I want that as soon as a new purchase is going to be done by the participant using FlexiFunnels, over here the trigger should capture the response of that, and that is why for my trigger application, I have selected it as FlexiFunnels. And for the trigger event, I'm going to select as new purchase. After selecting the trigger application and the event, you can see that Pabbly Connect has provided us with a webhook URL. Using this unique webhook URL, we're going to build the connection between FlexiFunnels and Pabbly Connect by following the steps given here below in the help desk. So firstly, I'm going to copy this URL from here. After copying the URL, I'm going to log into my FlexiFunnels account. Okay, I'm going to go to the products page of my FlexiFunnels account. So you can see over here, this is the products page of my FlexiFunnels account and I want to connect this product, that is Game Master Tournament, to my Pabbly Connect. In order to do that, from the panel, I'm going to go to this edit section under this product right over here. After coming to the edit page of this product from the left side of the panel, I'm going to go to the set rules option right here. I'm going to click on this add product rules button right here. It is asking for the when. For the when selected as product is purchased for all pricing options, and the use over here should select it as webhook. Okay, then enter the webhook name over here, which is going to be new purchase, and for the URL I'm going to paste the webhook URL. Now whenever this product is going to be purchased using FlexiFunnels, over here the response to this webhook URL is going to be forwarded. I'm going to click on this save button. As I've done that, you can see over here now the rule has been added to this product that we have created using FlexiFunnels. Okay, as now the webhook URL is added, I'm going to go back to my workflow and scroll down. You can see it is saying waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether FlexiFunnels is successfully connected to Pabbly Connect or not, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the test purchase of this product right here, and after doing the test purchase, I'm going to check whether Pabbly Connect captures the response of the test purchase being done or not. In order to do the test purchase, this is the page of this product right over here. Now we're going to purchase the product. For that, I'm going to click on this buy now button right here. So it is asking for the participant's details over here. Firstly, for the first name over here, I'm going to write it as new. For the last name over here, I'm going to write it as participant. For the email over here, I'm going to write it as new participant @pabblytudes.com. For the phone number over here, I'm going to enter a dummy mobile number. For the address over here, I'm going to write it as 123 Newtown. For the city over here, I'm going to write it as Bhopal. For the state over here, I'm going to write it as Madhya Pradesh. For the country over here, I'm going to select the country as India right here. Item, I'm going to select the item. Over here, next it is asking for the order summary. This is the order summary. Payment, I'm going to do via card. So I'm going to enter the dummy card detail right here. So I've entered the dummy card details. I'm going to click on this complete order button right here. As I've done that, it says thank you for your purchase. As now the purchase is successfully done of the product, we have successfully enrolled to the tournament. I'm going to go back to my workflow and scroll down, and yes, you can see over here the response has been captured of the purchase. State of the participant comes over here as Madhya Pradesh. This is the transaction ID. You can see right over here the title is Game Master Tournament. This is the product ID, price is 1999. This is the mobile number of the participant. You can see right here. This is the order ID. First name is new. Second name is participant. Email is newparticipant@pabblytudes.com. This is the date and time of the purchase that was done by the participant. Currency is INR. Country is IN, that is India. City is Bhopal. And this is the address, that is 123 Newtown. As now the response of the purchase has been captured, this means that FlexiFunnels has now been successfully connected to Pabbly Connect and our trigger setup is done. Now as the trigger setup is done, what we are going to do is we are now going to send the notification of this purchase to our community, our gamers community on the Discord channel that we have created. Now for that, we are going to set up our action step, and for the action application over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select it as Discord. And for the action event, I'm going to select as send channel message markdown, and then I'm going to click on this connect button. After that, over here it is asking for the webhook URL. Using this webhook URL, we are going to connect Discord to Pabbly Connect. Now in order to have this webhook URL, you have to click on this hyperlink right over here given in the help desk. As you're going to do that, you're going to land towards Pabbly help desk page, and over here it says how to enter webhook URL over Discord for sending messages, and you can see the steps are given here below one by one in order to you can have the webhook URL. Okay, so now we can have the webhook URL. For that, I'm going to close this help desk, log into your Discord account and open the gamers community that you have created in which you want to send the notification. So this is the community right over here. This is the channel, and I want to send messages towards this channel right here. Okay, it says gamers community. I'm going to click on this arrow next to it, and from the drop down over here, I'm going to go to the server setting right here. After coming to server setting, from the left side of the panel, go to the integration section right here. After coming to integration, it says webhooks. Click on this create webhook button, and over here you can see a dummy webhook is created. I'm going to rename the webhook, which is going to be new message. Okay, this is the webhook. Okay, I'm going to click on this copy URL button right over here, and I'm going to save the changes. Okay, I'm going to copy the URL again, and this is the webhook URL that Pabbly Connect is asking. I've entered the webhook URL. Okay, after that, over here it is asking for the message that we want to send as a notification to our team on the Discord channel that we have created. Okay, so this is the channel. I want to send a notification to this channel right here. So over here for the message, I'm going to write it as, so this is the message that I want to send as a notification. It says new participant registered for Game Master Tournament. Hello team. We have new registration for the Game Master Tournament, and below are the details of the participant information, full name, first name, last name, email, phone number, and the full address. Please ensure that a participant is added to our tournament roster and keep an eye out for and further communication from them. Let's make sure they have a smooth experience leading up to the tournament. Thanks for the attention, Game Master Tournament team. So over here you can see this is the message, the notification that I want to send. And for the data of my participants details, what we are going to do is we're going to map the data. What is mapping? Mapping means inserting data from the previous step. So we're going to insert the data from the previous step of this workflow. And how it is going to happen, that as soon as I'm going to select the data of this first name and the last name from here, you can see this was the previous response. As I'm going to click on it, this is the same response that was captured in our previous step. In the response, we have received our participants details that we want to send as a notification to our team. Okay. In this, we have received the first name and the last name of our new participant. So I'm going to select the data of the first name and the last name from my previous response. As I've selected the data from my previous response, the data is mapped. And as I've mapped the data has now become dynamic. That means now whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the new data is going to be updated in place of this mapped data. Similarly, over here for the email, I'm going to write it as, I'm going to map the data over here. For the phone number, I'm going to map the data of the phone number again. This is the mobile number. And for the full address over here, I'm going to map the data of the full address, okay? And the country, okay? This is the full address you can see right here. After filling all the required details, it is asking for the bot name. So the bot name over here, I'm going to write it as new participant details, okay? It is asking for the icon. You can enter the icon according to your requirement. For the text to speech, I'm going to select it as disable right here. After filling all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request button. And over here, we've received a response, which is a positive response. And I'm going to open my Discord channel. And yes, you can see right over here, the notification regarding a new registration being done in our tournament has been forwarded to my channel. We have the details of our participant. You can see right over here, okay? As now the notification is successfully forwarded to my gaming community on my Discord channel when the purchase was done using FlexiFunnels by our participant. This means that we successfully created an automation between FlexiFunnels and Discord with the help of Pabbly Connect. So now to sum up till now what we have done, I am an owner of a online gaming platform and I am organizing a gaming event. Over here for the trigger, I've selected as FlexiFunnels new purchase, as whenever by the participant a new purchase of the tournament registration is going to be done using FlexiFunnels, automatically a message on my Discord channel is going to be forwarded to my team notifying a new registration being done. And that is for this action step. For my action application, I've selected it as Discord, and for the action event as send channel message. And using Pabbly Connect, I've built a connection between these two applications. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just with these applications, you can create automation between multiple other applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any questions, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can check the queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment on if you have any questions or doubts, and please share this video.